average wind 190 degrees, 3 meters per second, caution tailwind. Runway 36 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 36 right, cleared for takeoff. Copy the warning.
Ready?
I'm ready. 6 knots tailwind.
Check. Power's coming up.
Tower to Kingston 606, Kevin, hello, approaching, holding point 27.
国航4116，进跑道等待360。
Water throws engaged. Check thrust.
Thrust is set.
606, Heavy Tower confirm received the ED
Airspeed alive.
Yankee departure.
FM to Kingston 606.
Command stand
80 knots.
606, taxi via Whiskey 2, hold short on runway 36 right.
Whiskey 2, hold short runway 36 right to Kingston 606.
B1,
3三环经过 Echo 1 365跑道外等待。
B2,
Echo 1 365跑道外等3.193。
and positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up selected.
Good day, departure 119.7, good day.
Departure is 1197.